So after somewhat of a lengthy delay, we finally got our order we placed months ago for the mobile connector adapter that Tesla is officially selling now. That will allow you allegedly to power electronic devices using your mobile connector and your Powershare equipped vehicle's battery. You can then use this adapter to plug in any compatible electronic device you want to power. So this has been kind of talked about for a little while now, and allegedly you are still needing a software update to be able to use this with your Cybertruck or Model Y. Let's go ahead and quickly unbox it and take a look at how it looks and what actually you can do with it. So opening it right up, you are greeted with the adapter right on top, and it basically looks like nothing else comes with it. But you can see, if you're familiar with the wall adapters and mobile chargers, it has that similar plug that you're going to plug into, and on the other side you're going to have a couple of outlets to use to power whatever you want: hair dryers, chargers, anything you need that plugs in. And it is as simple as that. You can see it has the Powershare logo on the side. It does feel pretty well built. Tesla logo on the other side here, and that is it. So let's go ahead, plug this in, and see if we can get it to work. One other cool thing to note, as you can see right here, take a look at that. The Cybertruck logo, the charging logo, actually pulses now purple for that Powershare, letting you know that that is indeed what is going on here. And then if you want to obviously unplug it, it's back to its... All right, so we went ahead and got our mobile connector and plugged it right in, and you can see the light actually scrolling right here, as you would anticipate when it's ready to charge. So the other end of this is plugged into our NACS port, and here is that adapter right here, plugged right in to that mobile connector. All right, so probably for one of the most useless examples you can use this for, I'm gonna go ahead and use a phone charger and just plug it right in, and then grab the USB-C port here for our iPhone, and let's see if it loads up. All right, and you can see it is charging, so it is working. No other software update needed. We are working as anticipated, and it's literally that easy. Let's go ahead and jump in the truck, and sure enough, as you can see here, it is giving us some updated data. It is telling us how long we have left to power the device. Very cool little addition here. I like how it's giving us an approximate amount of time left, the discharge power, and the Powershare limit. This is going to be very helpful in a pinch, or if you're out tailgating, you want to power a TV, things like that, without having to use your bed outlets, or if you're out of bed outlets, you can use this and be perfectly fine. Again, I'm not sure why it's only showing 3 days. We have 73% charge, and all we're doing is charging an iPhone, but it does seem to be in flux and does seem to be going up over some time. So pretty cool to see. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. Let me know what you think about this new adapter. Are you going to be picking one up? I think it's about 80 bucks in the Tesla shop right now. Comment down below if you think this will be useful. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.